Happy swimming, team! Today we're going to be talking about blowing bubbles and breath control basics. Learning to blow bubbles helps swimmers exhale while their face is in the water, preventing them from accidentally inhaling or swallowing the water. Before introducing this skill in the water, swimmers should first practice exhaling outside of the water to understand the concept of blowing out air. You can use the candle trick. Have the swimmers hold up a finger in front of their face and pretend it's a candle. Instruct them to blow out the flame. Another way to do this is with a ping pong ball. Swimmers can practice a controlled breath by blowing a ping pong ball across a kickboard or from their hands. After practicing out of the pool, it's time to transition into the water. Start by having the swimmer place their finger just above the water surface and blow, creating small ripples. Their lips will remain above the water. Repeat the ping pong ball activity. Now, but the ping pong ball will be floating on top of the surface. Once comfortable, have the swimmers take a deep breath and lower their face into the water and take a full exhale, this creating bubbles. This is something that you'll need to practice frequently to master the skill. Encourage swimmers to incorporate bubble blowing into other activities like kicking or wall walking to build confidence and breath control.
Get set, go!